AutoCAD Electrical comes with several different symbol libraries, including JIC, IEC, GIS, and several others. For our demonstration, we'll be using the JIC symbol library. From the Tool palette, I'm going to select the Insert Component command. Notice the many different choices of component symbols we have. Selecting Relay and the coil, I simply place the coil onto the rung in the correct location. Automatically, the symbol is inserted and the wires are broken. The Insert Edit Component dialog box helps us to edit the attributes on the inserted block. There are many tools in this dialog box that help us with annotating the block. For example, the defaults under the description brings up a default list of descriptions for each component. For example, we can pick Master Control Relay, select OK, and the information is transferred onto the component description attributes. AutoCAD Electrical also comes with an extensive part data catalog. We'll select Lookup to select our part number. There are several filters for the many different manufacturers and their part numbers. For example, Square D and Type X. Notice how the list changes as we select our options. Select our part number, and the information is again transferred onto the block into the attributes. Notice the description and the component tag CR403 was automatically generated. Currently we're using line referencing in this drawing. Next we'll add a wire to place our child contact on. AutoCAD Electrical is intelligent. By selecting the starting point for the wire, it automatically takes on that same layer information as the starting wire point. We'll go back to our Insert Component command, select the relay, and this time pick the child contact, a normally open contact that we'll place on our newly added wire. The child contact gets its information from the parent, and will establish the link by simply selecting the parent in the drawing. Notice that the component is placed, the tag and information is transferred from the parent, including real-time cross-referencing, which shows where the parent and the child are located. In the last step, we'll insert another child contact, this time a normally closed contact, and place it on a vertical wire. Watch what happens. AutoCAD Electrical is intelligent, knows that the wire is vertical, and changes the orientation of the symbol for us automatically. We'll again establish the link between the parent and child, transferring the information. And once again, AutoCAD Electrical automatically places the cross-reference information for us. AutoCAD Electrical allows you to quickly and easily place wire numbers in your schematics. Selecting the Automatic Wire Number command, we'll pick just individual wires in our drawings for our first example. The wire numbers are applied automatically, 403, 403A and B, with the suffix added whenever there are duplicate wire numbers, depending of course on the line rung referencing. To change this, we can go to our Drawing Properties dialog box and select wire numbers. AutoCAD Electrical uses a replaceable parameter style format to allow us to create as complex or as simple of wire numbers as we want. We can add codes for installation codes, location codes, and so on. While we're here, we'll also change the component tag formatting from line reference to sequential. Again, quick, easy setting changes. Come back to our drawing, and now we'll add wire numbers, and this time we'll do it drawing wide. Notice we also have an option for doing it project wide. Automatically, AutoCAD Electrical analyzes the drawing for all existing wire networks and puts in the new wire numbers. Notice the W's that have been placed in front due to our drawing properties changes. Let's also now change the tagging for the components. We'll just do the act of drawing again and pick OK. It asks for us for a backup in order for us to undo the changes later if desired. Look now how the components have been retagged, PB1, 2, 3, and so on.